Welcome to Spectrum Sound Bitez, the podcast from Spectrum Waves Music Entertainment and Spectrum Waves Publishing. I'm your host, Black Pearl. This is more than a podcast. It's a movement under Unapologetic-unbroken banner, a commitment to music and the stories that is too real to be silent. Each episode is a curated dose of discovery, featuring tracks from powerful acts like Black Pearl, Precious Gemstone. We will go beyond the music, bring you the Spectrum Wave Media, audiobook versions of stories behind their hits, and well as known as immersive narrations from our Spectrum Wave Publishing Library. This is the sound of unlimited resistance, no room for silence. Tune in for a full spectrum of audio entertainment. This is where the sound meets discovery. So far, you have heard the bonus, okay? It's Unapologetic, Unbroken Banner. That was written by Black Pearl, narrated by Precious Gemstone. The second bonus you're about to hear is called Caution Tape. It's also written by Black Pearl and narrated by Black Pearl. Behind the scenes, there's some instrumental music that is under the family of Spectrum Waves Music Entertainment. I also want you to introduce Sound Music Bitez, where you can check at any local streaming platforms, alongside with Wazir Wiz and Jawline Music Productions. They're all a part of the collection of the Spectrum Wave Media. You can link us at Linktree/Black Pearl_Spectrum Wave Media and give us your likes, your shares, your views. Remember, ride high to the wave of life of Spectrum Wave Music Entertainment and all the collections.